Hey everybody, welcome to the Pompey cooking show, where I'm going to teach you how to be spontaneous in the old kitchen here. So let's say for a second that it's about halfway through the day, and you're like, hey, my tummy is rumbling. Must be time for lunch. All right, let's take a look around. Okay. So I look through the kitchen, and I have a pineapple, a Coke, um, a lime, a half a lime, and a lemon, and some sesame seeds and garlic. Okay. So for starters here, we're gonna want to set fire to a few things to make them edible. So our stove here, very hot and very tricky. You gotta kind of play with the knobs a little bit. And if you smell something gross, you did it right. And when setting fire in your house, you want to be careful because most things are flammable when you set them on fire. Okay. Welcome back. Apparently, neighbors hate it when you set fire to pineapples in your apartment. Can you smell that? I think I got some pineapple on my camera. Oh that. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna go look for another food for us to cook. Whoa!
Hey! Get out of here, okay? I'm in here. Don't you knock. Rude.
Hi, get out of what are you doing in there? It's my food.
There's no food in here for you. It's my turn. And all this stuff is mine, okay? That's mine.
Can I have my milk, please?
No, you can't have the milk. I ate it. It was delicious, and it tasted like French cheese. I think it gone sour.
Ugh. What am I supposed to eat? Is there any snacks in there?
Everything in here is mine. That's mine. That's mine. You want this? Well, you can't have it. It's mine. Okay? That's how this works. It's all mine. Get out of here. Go. It's my turn. I'm hungry.
Okay. 2 years ago, this very night, I dropped a bag of chips under my couch. And tonight's the night where I go and grab it. We do what we have to during these hard times. Where is it? Hey! Shoo! Get out of that! Shoo! No! Get away! Shoo! Go! Get away! Get away from me!
Are you okay?
Help me!
Hey, I don't think we're supposed to go in there. Okay? Okay. Don't eat my food.